Hi, my name is Dileep, and I have around 12 years of experience. I am working with HSBC as a manager in the area of project and program management, and that includes a large part of finance, investment banking as well. And my total years of experience is 12, out of which primarily it consists of finance and project management. I have taken up Hadoop and Big Data from Intellipaat. I have been researching for a very long time as to which course to be chosen for developing a robust career. And in that, I found out Big Data and Hadoop to be the best options. So when I did my research, the most comprehensive course material that I can ever find was in Intellipaat. It consisted of um, almost all of the uh, almost all of the requirements of what Big Data and Hadoop is essentially required to be possessed in. And there were few samples which I picked, and the samples seemed to be very systematic, very consistent, and I was quite convinced with the course content of Intellipaat. So that's the very reason why I have chosen Intellipaat. I was managing program office, project management office, and I have been part of PMO, finance, in various banks, not just with HSBC, but in other banks as well, other MNCs as well. The experience and the method of delivery of the faculty of Intellipaat has been systematic, it has been consistent, and there has been a logical flow while taking through the course, which really helped in terms of understanding the concepts, understanding the course content, and what exactly the industry is expecting. The query resolution and support of Intellipaat has been pretty good and quite satisfactory. There had been a little bit of gestation time, but yes, my queries did get resolved. Primary reason why I have picked up Intellipaat is the comprehensive content of the course material and the way it has been delivered, and that includes the online material such as videos, uh, PDFs, and even VMs, which really prepared to get the hands on with the tools and with the real training content. The very specific feature that I really liked and quite impressed, honest to say, is the way even the VMs have been arranged and organized by Intellipaat, which are relevant for the course material. And it really did not take much of a time from my end to get these VMs configured and follow the course material. So that has been quite handy. I really doubt if there are any other training programs which really provide such kind of VMs, which would be so very helpful. That's probably one of the best feature which I liked in Intellipaat, because uh, you learn a technology, it just doesn't stop with that. You need to know what are the advancements in technology, what's happening on a day-to-day basis at the ground level, from the industry perspective, and that in the form of updates, it gets updated into Intellipaat course material, and that has been quite handy and that has been quite convenient in terms of knowing the latest updates of any particular technology or any particular area of business expertise. That's really very helpful. It has given an edge in terms of the open competition, and the knowledge curve that has been picked up through these training materials has been tremendous within a short period of time. So I should say that in terms of taking up the next career move, this probably could be the best device, I should say. I will definitely recommend Intellipaat to my friends and colleagues because most of them they value learning, they value flexibility in terms of learning, and at the same time effectiveness of learning. So, how much you can learn within the least possible time, and how flexible is that learning system that which, which can provide. And Intellipaat carries all these three crucial factors. And especially for working executives like me, this is probably the best that can ever happen.